Greetings YouTube, my name is Stuart and on my channel I show you how to make the most of your gear as a street and travel photographer. I'm a photographer and travel writer based in South Korea and I make videos about street photography in Asia, my journey as a street photographer and the gear that I use. So if you enjoy those types of videos, be sure to hit subscribe for more videos posted weekly. Now it is yet another public holiday in South Korea. In fact, we've got a couple of public holidays coming up and you guys know what that means. It means I have taken the opportunity to travel, and tonight I find myself in Osaka in Japan. I got here this morning, currently in the Number area of Osaka, and I'll be staying here for one night and then meeting up with a couple of friends tomorrow. But my mission for tonight, do some POV style shooting in the Number area, and more specifically the Dotonbori area, which is where I'll be staying. And that's kind of a nightlife hub here in Osaka. It's very famous. It's got the Glico Running Man. It's got a few landmarks there. So I'm gonna take out my Sigma 56mm f1.4, obviously pretty much stock standard at this point. You guys know how much I love that lens, and you can go see my other video on that lens if you haven't already. But I'm gonna take out my Sigma 56mm f1.4 and just take a walk around Dotonbori and really see what the area's got to offer, because I haven't really seen it quite yet. I've been to a few other places in Osaka, like Umeda, the Sky Tower, and then just doing some random walking around Number, but I haven't really been to Dotonbori yet, which is supposedly the nightlife hub. So I'm very interested to see what that holds. But Osaka as a city reminds me a lot actually of Taipei. Dare I say more of Taipei than of Seoul. At least, you know, this area, Number, Dotonbori area. I don't know, it's just might be the streets, the way things are laid out, but it just feels a bit more akin to that, and I've been enjoying it so far. Really nice city. I'm gonna do a bit more exploring tomorrow and kind of the touristy stuff, but I'm gonna strap on the 56 now. I will be doing a POV kind of with the DJI Osmo Action mounted to my bag to give you the POV shots. And yeah, that's gonna be it. I'm pretty much running on fumes at the moment. I've walked about 12 kilometers today, so I'm not in the best of shape, but let's see what we get, you know. I think there's an energy that you get when you're in an unfamiliar environment, an exciting environment, and I'm just gonna kind of rely on that to get me through this. So let me switch out lenses, put on the POV, and let's see what we get. I must say the Number shopping area, or kind of Shinsaibashi, I think, shopping area where I am now, reminds me a lot of Myeongdong, but also Ximending in Taipei. It's kind of like a hybrid of the two, you know, this covered shopping area, just tons of retail outlets. Yeah, pretty interesting, you know, kind of that assault on the senses sort of thing. But yeah, making my way to Dotonbori now. The thing I like about this area is that everything is generally, you know, close. Things are close to each other. So, you know, Dotonbori is not too far from Number. You know, it's not too far from all the shops, all the nightlife. I like that, you know, it's compact that way. So I really like that about staying here. please go easy on me in the comments. I'm super rusty. I really haven't done any proper street photography shooting in a while. It's mostly been like the random landscape shots, so I'm keen. I'm looking forward to it. You know, we'll see what I've got to offer up, but jeepers, it's been a while since I've shot, and that's really bad. You know, photography is very much like a muscle that you need to train it. Should I say creativity is like a muscle that you need to train in order for it to get better, and I just haven't been training it. You know, I've been slacking on that front. I've just finished up, and not gonna lie, that was actually pretty tough. Yeah, I definitely need to practice a bit more. So like I was saying, that was really difficult. I had to kind of double down on a few street corners and just work the scenes to get something, you know, worthy, or keep worthy. I think, you know, street photography, one of the things it requires is time and patience. You just really need to be patient. Otherwise you're going to fail completely. But I did enjoy it, even though it was a bit difficult. Yeah, I'm enjoying this area of Osaka. It's really interesting for me, contrasting it between, you know, contrasting Osaka and Japan in general, the short time I've been here with South Korea. But do drop a like and a comment down below on which was your favorite shot. As always, you know, keep the subs coming, keep the comments coming, slowly again, inching towards 1,000 sub mark. There will definitely be a lot more Japan content to come. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.